Welcome to Half-Salamander exercise. This exercise is a gentle neck and gaze hold that relaxes tight neck muscles and helps your body shift into a calmer, more regulated state. Please take a couple of breaths before you start the exercise. Half-Salamander steps. Sit tall, shoulders relaxed. Tilt your head to the left ear towards left shoulder. Keeping the head tilted, look up to the right with your eyes only. Take a slow inhale, then hold softly until you feel a natural swallow, yawn, or side urge. Exhale and relax. Bring head and eyes back to center. Repeat on the other side. Tilt head right, eyes look up left. Breathe, hold, and exhale. Until next time, stay sharp.